Hello friend, I am Junaid and you guys are watching my YouTube channel, and today video we will discuss the best PUBG game loop setting for low and PC user. By low and PC user I mean the one who have 4 GB RAM and its PC. If your PC has 2 GB RAM and you want to play PUBG Mobile, then you can skip this video because earlier PUBG was not so much heavy application game because it did not get so much update. But now at this era 2021, a lot of new maps, a lot of new update have come due to which PUBG Mobile has become a very heavy game, and it's impossible for 2 GB RAM user to play PUBG Mobile smoothly. Whatever window you are using, it does not matter. All the steps are same, just following step by step. Let me tell you guys that my PC has only 4 GB RAM and 4 GHz processor without any graphics card, which is a low-end PC. And if you don't know that how much RAM and processor is in your PC, then you can check from here. If you are using Windows 7, then right click on your my computer and go to the property, and if you are using Windows 8, 8.1 and Windows 10, then type here this PC and click on property. Here you can check your RAM and processor. Here you guys can see that my RAM is 4 GB and processor is 4 GHz. There are some settings that you guys have to do before opening the game. First of all, go to the start menu and type run and press enter. RUN and press enter. Now type here TEMP and enter. Delete all these files permanently. So I am selecting all the file and pressing shift plus delete. Here it will ask for permission. You must continue it, and those files which are not deleted, skip it. After this, go to the start menu and type run and press enter, and now type here percentage TEMP and percentage and enter. After this, select all the file by Ctrl plus A and shift delete. Delete it permanently. Again go to the start menu and type run and press enter, and then type here prefetch PREFATCH and press enter. Now select all the file and press shift plus delete and then press enter. After this, right click on your battery and go to the Window Mobility Center, and here set your battery to the high performance. Click on this letter drop down and here click your battery to the high performance. Okay, after this, if you are using Windows 7, then all the steps are same. Just right click on my computer and go to the property, and if you are using Windows 8, 8.1 and Windows 10, then type here this PC and go to the property. After going to the property, click on advanced system setting. After clicking advanced system setting, go to the performance. This is performance. I am going to the setting. After going to setting, here check this box, adjust best performance, then click on apply and then click on OK. I already set it. Okay, after this, if you are using Windows 7, then skip this step, and if you are using Windows 8, 8.1 and Windows 10, then follow this step. Go to the start menu and click on setting icon. After clicking on setting icon, go to the gaming. After going to the gaming, here go to the game mode. After going to the game mode, click on graphic setting. Follow this tip. If you have no graphic card, it does not matter. Go to the graphics setting. After going to the graphics setting, wait, I'm remove this. Okay, after going to the graphics setting, add your game here. How you will add your game? Go to the browser. After going to the browser, and my condition, my game is in disk, so I'm going to the eDisk. After going to eDisk, go to program files and go to the app market and click on app market and click on add. Okay, and some condition it happened, then when you open the game your disk become 100%, due to which your PC become very slow, due to which you are not able to play the game smoothly. For example, I'm going to the task manager. I'm clicking here the lower tab, right click and go to the task manager. In some condition it happened, when you open the game your disk has become 100%. now my disk is only 5-6%. Here you can see my disk is 256%. and some condition, if your disk is 100%, for fixing that, go to the service. After going to the service, open services, click on open services. After click on open services, a new interface will come. Now here search for Windows search. Here Windows search. Here this is Windows search. So right click on this and stop it. I already disable it. You guys can see here I already disable it. Okay, after this this tip will boost your PC. After disabling it, restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, then go to the search menu and type run and press enter, and then type TREE and press enter. It will take a few seconds. It will clean your PC from viruses. After doing all these tips, open your game. So I am open the app market. Double click on this and then click on yes. Okay, after opening the app market, click on these three lines and click on update check. First of all, update your app market to the latest version. After this, click on three line and go to the setting. Okay, after going to the setting, this is basic. Uncheck the first three boxes. Uncheck first three boxes. Uncheck. Okay, then go to the here. Don't touch these setting. Don't touch these. BIOS key. Don't touch these setting. Okay, then go to the engine and set your PC on DirectX Plus. And now check these boxes. Enable rendering caches. Check these boxes, and the first two boxes, check these boxes. Third and fourth option, uncheck these two options. Uncheck these two boxes. Okay, after this, off anti-aliasing off. Okay, now many people told you that if your RAM is 4 GB, then set your RAM is half of your RAM and half of your processor. It is totally wrong. It is totally wrong. Set here memory automatic and processor automatic. Resolutions. Set your resolution as your display. If I right click on my display and go to the display setting, then you guys can see here my display is 19201080. So set your resolution as your display. After this, screen DPI 160, and don't touch these two option. After this, go to the model. After going to the model, set this is a command model and ROG to support some games at 90 fps. Okay, now go to the game and set your display on 720p. If you go to the 180p, then your game will be too laggy. So I will recommend you that set your display as 720. After this, graphic setting smooth, and don't go on 90 fps. Set your fps on 60. After all these steps, save these, and after save, close your app market. From here, right click on your taskbar and go to the manager. After going to manager, here search for game loop. Click on this and end task. Okay, cancel it. Now again open your game loop. And now open your game. We did some basic computer setting. After that, we boosted our system and we have set the engine of app market, which is suitable for low-end PC. Now we are going and for the basic setting of the game. One more thing, when your game is open, then close the app market. So my game is going to open, so I am closing this app market. First of all, you have to go to the setting and the this up down, click on this up down and go to the setting. After going to the setting, now go to the graphics setting. After going to graphics setting, keep your graphics on smooth and keep your frame rate on a medium. And after doing this, off your anti-aliasing and effective immediately, keep it on classic. After this, save it. Click on OK. After clicking OK, I hope this video will be helpful for you guys, and I also hope that after watching this video your game will be run very smoothly. If you like the video, thumbs up and comment below. And if you are facing any problem related to PUBG or any other game, you guys can share with me.